In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate images in Adobe Express. Now to do this, there's actually two ways. The first one is going to be when you go to the Home tab, click on the plus button top left, go to the search box top right, and type in generate like this. Now you'll find this generate image button here. You want to click on it, and then from here, as you can see, you'll go inside any project over here, a new one, and it's going to allow you to generate your image. You can choose your model, you can choose your reference images if you want to, and then the content type as well. And then of course from here you can go and select styles too, and then select the image you want to generate here. Of course, this is going to go and of course use one of your AI credits. You can check these in the top right whenever you have the access to your account icon top right. And then in here you can just describe what you want to generate. So I'm just going to type in, for example, a rainbow on a rainy day or something like that. I'm actually going to click on one of these suggestions over here like that. Okay, so I'm going to click on generate, and you'll see that it's actually going to generate your images here in Adobe Express in just a few seconds. Okay, now usually it's super quick, and it's also going to give you four of different options. As you can see, you can click on them to actually see how they look. You can extend them like that and see whichever one you prefer, and then you can go and use them from here. Okay, you can download them, like them, etc. That's the first way. But if you already are inside a design or project, whatever you want to call this, what you can do is the following. You can open up a project, and inside that specific project, you can just go to the top left, add content, generative AI, and then from here you can click on generate image, select your size, and then of course you can just create it the same way we just did. You can type in whatever you want, for example, a rainbow, that's all I'm going to say. You have reference images, content type, etc. Hit the generate button, and it's going to generate it directly over here inside your Adobe Express design project or whatever you are using. Okay, so again, a few seconds is going to take, and yeah, you'll see your image is going to be over here. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.